Welcome back. My name is Samm. Today we'll be solving an interesting problem as you can see on the board. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do right now. So let's go. Okay, there's no power to 2 that will give us 72. So we can introduce logarithm to make it easier. So log 2 raised to power x equal to log 72. So remember that log a to power b can be written as b log a, law of logarithm. Remember this law? So let's do it. So we have x log 2 equal to log 72. So we can divide both sides by log 2, log 2. This cancels this. Now x equal to log 72 log 2. Yeah, so that's x, but still a lot to do. Okay, so we can make 72 36 times 2 over log 2. So remember this law, log AB equals to log A plus log B. So we can apply it going further. So have, that's our x, log 36 plus log 2 all over log 2. So we can share this log 2 so we can separate the fractions. So x equal to log 36 over log 2 plus log 2 over log 2. So this here 1, this here 1. So we'll have x equal to log 36 over log 2 plus 1. Okay, can simplify further. 36 can be 18 as 18 times 2. So x equal to log 18 times 2 over 2 plus 1. Okay, remember this law, and apply it again. So our x becomes log 18 plus log 2. We can just share it over log 2 over log 2. So applying the same principle we used, how we move from here into here, so we can share it to save time, plus 1. So x equals to log 18 over log 2 plus 1 plus 1. We can do the same thing again, 9 and 2. So x equals to log 9 times 2 over log 2 plus 2, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, I'm trying to be fast with it. So this will give us x equal to log 9 plus log 2, remember, over log 2 over log 2 plus 2. 1, 1, so we have x equal to log 9 over log 2 plus 3. This is our value for x, but we can do something more. Log 9 over log 2 can be written as log 9 base 2. plus 3. So that's fine, and that will be our value for x. Now we can run a check quickly to see if this will give us 72. So let's run a check quickly. We have 2 raised to power x, which will give us 2 raised to power log 9 base 2 plus 3. So we want to see how this will give us 72. Now, there's a law of logarithm that says if you have a number raising a log whose base is the same as the number, it gives you the number of the log. But before we do that, let's just break them. So using log indices, if you have p raised to power m plus n, that's p raised to power m times p raised to power n. Remember, right? This is log indices. So let's use that here. So first, 2 raised to power log 9 base 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power 3. We want to see how this will give us our 72 to be sure that we did the right thing. So remember the law I explained earlier, 2 and 2 equal, so that gives you 9. So you have 9 times 2 raised to power 3 is 8. 9 times 8 is 72. So we have proven what we wanted to prove, that x equal to log 9 base 2 plus 3. So this is our value for x. Now, if you gain something from this video, kindly subscribe and drop your comment. If you have anything that's not clear to you, drop it in the comment section. I'll personally answer you.